Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 581 Curtis Road in Hilton.
This is an amazing country ranch on over an acre with an outbuilding and scenic views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is the best of one-floor country living. This immaculate home features an entertainment-sized living room with beautiful hardwood floors, a bow window, and a gas fireplace with a gorgeous wood mantel. Open to an eat-in country kitchen with stainless steel appliances, wood cabinetry, including a wall of built-ins and skylights. All with crown molding plus new Anderson windows throughout for those breathtaking views.
This home also features a separate wing with 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this beautiful owner's suite with an ensuite bath and scenic country views. Just off the kitchen is an entertainment-sized deck overlooking the country acreage, leading to the spectacular outbuilding with room for all your storage needs. Great for the enthusiastic car buff. This beautiful ranch home is situated on over an acre, complemented by the surrounding farmland. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Nearby is beautiful Hamlin Beach State Park. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 581 Curtis Road in Hilton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!